Hey everyone, my name is Joanna. I'm a colorist and creator of thematic color palettes. And in today's video, I wanted to address the color palette chaos that I created. And it's a chaos between my books, printable collections, and the freebie that I released in February. So in this video, I want to put things to order and help you navigate through the different ways you can get my color palettes depending on what works best for you. So, where to get my color palettes? You can get my color palettes in two main formats. As printable collections available on Gumroad and Etsy, and as books available on Amazon. Talking printable collections, the freebie is the first printable collection that you should look at. It's very unique, and unlike other printable collections I've made, this one actually features the same color palettes as my two latest books, Shades of Love and Humanity and Hues of Bloom and Beauty. It's also deeply personal to me, and if you wish to know why, I've made a separate video sharing the full story. You'll find the link in the description box below. You can get this bundle completely free on Gumroad. Just enter 0 in the price box and you will automatically receive an email with a download link. The freebie includes 25 color palettes inspired by love and renewal. Each palette has 5 basic colors plus 5 complementary colors to help you create stunning color combinations. And if that's not enough, well, let's talk about other collections available on Etsy and Gumroad. These are exactly the same collections, guys, but why copied the same collections on Etsy and Gumroad? Well, let's just say that I heard one too many stories about how Etsy is being managed by, unreasonable bots. So I decided to make them available on Gumroad too, just to ensure that my color palettes remain easily accessible no matter what happens on any platform. Since I was already recreating my collections on Gumroad, I thought why not use the awesome bundle feature that is available on Gumroad and to put them all together. And that's how I created this master color palette library that you can now visit on Gumroad. This mega collection includes 120 color palettes from 8 different themes, including fantasy, love treats, Christmas, spooky, floral, and more. I always plan to keep the price of this bundle lower than if you were to buy each collection separately, but right now and until March 21st, it's available for a super good price of just $9.99. If you love having a variety of colors at your fingertips, this bundle is the ultimate palette collection for you. Now lastly, how do printable palettes compare to the books? You might already have noticed that many of my themes available as printables also exist as books on Amazon. But here's something important to know. The printable collections and the books versions are not the same. The only exception is the mega freebie I discussed in the beginning of this video. I keep things this way because I want to keep them affordable while still offering the best possible user experience and abundance of color inspiration. This means that books are printed on Amazon's premium paper, but they have a limit of 32 palettes per book to keep the price reasonable. Printable collections contain 15 palettes per theme, carefully selected to complement the books, but they exist independently. So if you are a collector of color inspiration, you might want to get both. The books for easy reference and the printables for extra variety in your favorite themes. Now let's dive into the final thoughts. Hopefully this video clears up the color palette chaos I created across different platforms. Whether you prefer books or printables, there is a format that works for everyone. All relevant links are in the description box below, so feel free to check them out. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. So I'd love to hear from you and answer your questions. Happy coloring, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.